Watch out now, watch out now. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. Got another video, y'all. Today's video is gonna be about this Mainstays black wooden porch rocker. So today's I'm just gonna be getting into how to put this rocking chair together. I already did one, but I'm gonna show you instructions on how to do this one. It is the Mainstays brand from Walmart. It is a black wooden porch rocker, which is a black rocking chair. I just want to thank you guys for all y'all support. Thank you guys for watching all our videos, commenting. I thank you for subscribing to the channel if you have. But if you haven't subscribed, guess what? It's not too late. Go subscribe. The subscribe button down there, y'all. We thank y'all for subscribing. We thank y'all for liking. We thank y'all for commenting. We thank y'all for supporting and watching. But with that being said, y'all, we're gonna get with an unboxing. I'll be right back. Bam! We back, y'all. But guess what? This is not the unboxing. I'm just about to show y'all real quick the tools you're gonna need. You ain't gonna need much tools. All you're gonna need is a pocket knife. And you might not even need that. Just go in the kitchen, get you one of them butter knives or something that you got in the kitchen so you can cut that tape off that box, cut open all them little plastic pieces, and you're good to go. You got a drill right here, which you don't need. It already includes an Allen key for you if you want to use it. But if you want to make it faster, go get you a drill, baby. And you'll need a little Allen key that'll fit whatever screws that they provided for you in your package. I'm not going to tell you the size because guess what? Yours might not be the same exact size. But with that being said, we're going to get back to this unboxing. Y'all stay tuned. Bam, guys, we back. So we about to do this unboxing real quick. Let's flip her on the back side, front side. Cut, 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 cut. Man, y'all, I pray that you all are having a good week whenever you get time to watch this video. I pray that you all are blessed with everything that you ask God for, that he provides everything you need and that you desire. So we're gonna get back to this unboxing and stop talking about that. But if y'all want me to, I can continue now. I don't mind talking about God. I talk about God all day long. Cause Lord knows he bless me every day. All right, let's flip it back over. Take that. All right, y'all, there's a little blue string here. I don't know if y'all was the same way, but mine came with the package and the instructions. And if you guys box doesn't come with the instructions, I will try to put a picture of the instructions somewhere. I don't know what side, bottom, top, or left or right. I don't know what side, but I will put a picture of the instructions somewhere just so you can have them if you don't have them. And when you open the box, of course, they have everything wrapped, which is a good thing. That keeps everything from being scratched and scuffed up. And shipping and receiving. Take all this off. Throw it over there. So the first thing, they have these things labeled. This one is labeled A. Take your knife, cut this open here. This one is labeled G, which is a foot. You have another foot here, which is labeled G as well. And your screws and the provided Allen wrench that they provided to you is in the same exact bag as the instruction manual, if yours come with the instruction manual, which I hope it does. But if not, just watch this video. I'll talk you through it. I got you. This is the seat where you put your butt. It's labeled letter C. I'm gonna sit that to the side. And we have another arm. Take that off. Take that off. Which is labeled F. gonna sit that to the side. And we have a back that's labeled B. I guess the B is for back. I'm gonna sit that to the side. And we don't need this box no more. But it's all right. I use the box like a table. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take letter A, and I hope yours is labeled the same way, because the way I'm going to explain it, I'm just gonna say a letter A, and we're gonna take a letter G. We're gonna apply letter A and G together, and this long side will be your back side. This short side will be your front side. So the same thing as the bottom. The short side is your front side. The long side is your back. So we're gonna put that on. Remember, G and A. We're gonna attach G and A. And once you have G and A attached, what you wanna do is you wanna grab your drill or your Allen wrench that they provided. Either one, they do the same thing. And you wanna grab 2 screws out your bag. Cut your bag open. Take 2 screws. Now you provided 16 screws, and if I'm not mistaken, you only need 14. So if you strip one, you got an extra one to go. Hoping you don't strip any. I'm gonna take a screw, put one there at the bottom, and you can see the screw holes in the bottom of these pieces, so you wouldn't have any problem with that. Take that there, get your drill. And I'm gonna set my clutch on 14. And the reason that I'm setting my clutch on 14, just so we don't strip everything out with a drill. Tighten it down. Exactly what I just explained, you guys. It's stripping the screw out. Throw another one in it. We're gonna take it easy this time, guys. Take it easy. All right, guys, we're just gonna take it easy. That's one side. You wanna grab the other piece that looked the same exact way and do the same thing to it. And like I said, hopefully yours are labeled the same exact way. So the other piece is an F. So you want to grab a letter F, and grab a G. They both bottoms are named G. And remember, short side front, long side back. And the same with the other piece F. Long side back, short side front. Take 2 more screws. Put one in the bottom here. Take it, screw it down. Slow. All right. Take your other screw. Put it at the bottom. Screw it down. Or drill it down, however you want to say it. All right, now that you have that done, what you want to do is you just want to take one of these pieces at a time. And since I have A here, I'm just going to take the other pieces and put them on A. So we have letter B, which is a back. We're going to stick that back on letter A here and there. All right, here and there. You have a letter C, which is the butt part where you put your butt at, the relaxing part. Put that there, and they go in the first holes that match up at the bottom. Once you have those set in place, you have a letter. We're missing some stuff, y'all. Not unless I overlooked it. Let me look for it and I'll be right back. Bam, back guys. I didn't take everything out the box. So we're gonna cut this little piece open here. We have a letter D and a letter E. Sir, this is a little opposite. Long part goes in the front, short part goes in the back. And you can tell the difference. One is longer than the other. So I have a letter E, which is gonna go in the front, and I have a letter D, which is gonna go in the back. And then what you wanna do is, you wanna take this letter F and G that you've already assembled, flip it over to that matches the actual cutout holes. You're gonna flip it over, and you're just gonna put those cutout holes into their slot. As one. All right. It's like a puzzle, guys. You might have one that falls out, but it's all right. We'll get to it. All right. And our letter D fell out, so we're gonna put that one back in. And all you have to do is just ease it up, slide it in. Now that you have those already in, what you wanna do is you wanna grab the provided screws that came with the package, and you wanna put a screw in every hole. So you got one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and you have one more way up top. One here, last one. And then what you want to do is just grab your screw or your Allen wrench or your key or whatever you have, come to it and just drill them in very slow. And for these, the last two pieces that I put on, E and D, what you might have to do is grab them with your hand and hold it, because if not, they're just gonna twist around. So if you hold it with your hand, with one hand, screw it in slowly with the other, there you go. Just that simple. Same thing with E. Grab it with your hand, hold it, screw it in. All right, this one, you just wanna grab it. You don't have to hold anything with your opposite hand. Screwed in. We have 3 more screws, guys, on this side. All right. We're gonna screw this last one in, guys. All right, after we got that done, what you want to do is, if you can, grab and flip the whole entire rocking chair to the opposite side without disassembling it or allowing it to come apart. So if you flip it, if you hold it, like if you clamp it together and twist and hold them together, as you twist, it'll come together and it's not gonna come apart. And all you have to do is repeat the same steps. Just place a screw in each hole. Here, 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 and one last one right up top. One last one here, guys. Then you want to take your drill or your Allen key, whichever one you have, and just drill them in slowly. Two more, guys. All right, guys, with that being said, that's the installation. I'm gonna get back to you guys and I'm gonna show you the final results. I'll be right back. Bam! Bam! Y'all, before I show you the final results, what I'm about to show you guys is all I'm gonna say is it's already taken. It's already taken. Guys, final results. Final results. Yes, yes, yes. I own the chair. I own the chair. Man, we thank you guys for watching our video, man. We thank you guys for supporting the channel. We ask that you continually like, subscribe, comment. Make sure y'all push the bell notification so you're able to be notified about every video that we post. And make sure y'all subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, y'all be blessed. And guess what? Peace.